Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. On Saturday night, Fame Frequency went retro and patrons were over the moon. Social media was in a frenzy as the Captain Colin Hines, DJ Denvo and Donovan Dakers, the perfect combination, made a return to the event for a 70s, 80s, early 90s party.
Hey Colin Hines, you play real music, Jess. Real music. And jump, jump. Hold up your foot and jump, jump. Hold up your foot and jump. Raise it like raise the foot and jump. Carnival.
To give you happiness, you may not be a movie star.
Fame Frequency continues clubbing this Saturday with Club Euphoria. And as the name suggests, it's high energy club favorites. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.